Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of portable keyboards with the ProtoArc Ergonomic Foldable Keyboard, XK03. This innovative keyboard promises a unique typing experience on the go, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about design. The XK03 boasts a sleek and slim profile, making it incredibly portable for travelers and professionals on the move. Its foldable design allows it to easily slip into a bag or briefcase without taking up too much space. What's particularly impressive about the XK03 is its split ergonomic design, featuring a U-shape with a 166-degree angle. This design promotes a more natural typing position, minimizing strain on your hands and wrists, which is especially important for those long typing sessions. But versatility is key, and the XK03 delivers on that front as well. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, tablets, smartphones, and computers running Mac OS, iOS, Android, and Windows. Plus, it supports up to 3 simultaneous Bluetooth connections, allowing you to easily switch between devices with the press of a button. Another standout feature of the XK03 is its 13 multimedia function keys, providing quick access to essential functions like volume control, screen brightness, and more. Plus, the keyboard's full-size keys offer a laptop-like typing experience, ensuring fast and accurate typing wherever you go. And let's not forget about battery life. With a built-in lithium battery, the XK03 boasts an impressive 150 days of standby time on a single charge, perfect for extended trips or busy workdays. So, what's the verdict? The ProtoArc Ergonomic Foldable Keyboard, XK03, is a game-changer for anyone in need of a portable typing solution. Its ergonomic design, versatile compatibility, and long-lasting battery make it a must-have accessory for travelers, professionals, and anyone on the go. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations from UK Pro Reviewer. Until next time, happy typing!